Hello, this is my project to install an Apache web server as well as create 2 new user accounts and a shared folder in the Ubuntu server. The first thing that you're going to see is that I installed a graphical interface. This will help with the file sharing and everything. And the way that I installed the interface is I did sudo apt-get install Ubuntu desktop. I also installed Samba in order to help with the file sharing and everything. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is create the Apache web server. We're going to do sudo apt-get install Apache 2. And now that we've done that, we are going to open up the Firefox browser and enter localhost into the address bar. And here you can see that it works. Now that we've created the web server, we're going to add the user accounts. We're going to do sudo add user tbra7519, and it's going to ask for a password and name. Then we're going to add the user jada1234, and it's going to ask for a username and password as well. Now that we've created the 2 user accounts, we are going to create a group and add those user accounts to the group in order to share the files with them. So the group that we're going to add is the shared folders group. We're going to do sudo group add shared folders. And then we are going to add the users to that group, doing sudo usermod-a-g, the folder name, or the group name, and the username. And we are going to go ahead and do that to all the accounts. And as you can see here, all these users are members of the shared folders account, a group. And from here, you can see that we are in the home directory for the Ubuntu server admin. And we're just going to go ahead and create a folder named shared folder, which is the folder we're going to be sharing. And as you can see, the shared folder is part of the directory. From here, we're going to go to the File Explorer and right-click on the shared folder, and then go to Sharing Options. And we're going to share this folder and allow others to create and delete files in the folder. And from here, we are going to right-click on it again and go to Properties and edit the permissions for the folder. And as you can see, the Ubuntu server admin can create and delete files as well as execute them. And we're going to change the group to shared folders group. And we're going to limit their access to access files, but to read only. All right, and that is how you create and install an Apache web server on Ubuntu server and create 2 user accounts and a shared folder.